There is nothing like driving off the lot in your new car, even if it's only new to you. But 11 Alive News found dozens of car buyers in court fighting to get their titles and tags that prove the purchase. 11 Alive senior investigator Rebecca Lindstrom shows how it's happening.
Most people don't expect to get caught up in an alleged criminal scheme when they buy a used car.
The car was everything I wanted.
But that's what happened to Cornelia Crichton when she bought this vehicle from Columbus Sports and Imports. She loved the car, but couldn't get the title and tag to legally drive it.
I'm calling, I'm getting voicemail. I text, she don't answer.
Before Crichton knew about any of the criminal charges facing the dealership's owner, she filed a civil lawsuit to force Sam and Duff Moore to submit the paperwork. And even though she won a $31,000 judgment, she hasn't seen a dime.
Whatever bond she had already been exhausted paying other victims.
That bond she's referring is the state's legally mandated $35,000 insurance to pay victims in cases like these. But with dozens of people filing complaints, that money didn't go far.
And you never know what the issue actually is.
Well, attorney Jarrett Faber says the accusations against the dealership that sold Crichton's car are unusual. Problems with drivers getting their title and tags are not.
When someone is selling you a car, they are supposed to have a clean title that they can immediately convey to you.
And that process shouldn't take more than 45 days. But Faber says cars get sold all the time that are really stolen or the property of a lender that hasn't been paid. Other times, it's just an administrative problem like a typo on a form.
It's just how you respond to it and whether or not you take prompt action to fix it.
When a used car sale goes bad, often the only recourse is to take the dealer to court. But some buyers say Georgia's civil lawsuit process doesn't seem capable of holding dealers accountable either.
Ivana Green won a judgment for $108,000 after Atlanta auto firm sold her a car and failed to submit the paperwork.
They didn't answer me. They did not answer my attorney.
She even reached out on social media. The owner, Jake Meisner, did share this screenshot showing he responded, but it was more than a year later and after the judge ruled on the case.
She reached out to me.
He has yet to pay, and when we caught up with him by phone, Meisner said he probably wouldn't.
No, I have to file bankruptcy.
Both of these women say they had to buy another car to drive while battling to get the first car titled. Neither wanted to run the risk of being pulled over by police.
It's a very southern state, and you don't have any paperwork, nothing. I just hate to think what would happen.
Faber says a hotspot for problems is Facebook Marketplace, where some dealerships allegedly pretend to be individual sellers to avoid licensing. He suggests buying a car from a dealer with a long history of sales and a store you can visit. Essentially, assets to go after if something does go wrong. Rebecca Lindstrom, 11 Alive, investigates.
And many of our investigations begin with tips from you. If you have something you'd like for our team to investigate, give us a call at the number on your screen. It's 404-873-9111. You can also email us at investigates@11alive.com.